In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy penny stocks on your Robinhood investing app. So what you want to do, it's very quick and very easy to do. So go ahead and go to your Robinhood app. I'm just going to use my Face ID here. And how to go about and search for a stock that you want to buy, whether it be a bigger stock, a penny stock, an ETF, anything that you really want. You would go ahead and go to the search bar at the very top here, and you just want to type in the stock you want to buy. Most of the time you can just type in the abbreviation and go ahead and select it. And then it's going to bring you to a page where it gives you all of the analytics, all of the information on it. So to actually buy the penny stock itself, go ahead to where it says buy at the very bottom. And then from here, I personally just like to buy one share, and I don't want to type it in or change anything. So go ahead and just hit 1, and it will automatically give you the estimated cost. Certain stocks will round down or up depending on how close it is to the next denomination. But you want to, after you have selected how many shares you want, you can type in really anything that you want here. So I'm just going to buy 1. Go ahead and hit review. And then it'll give you the order summary at the very bottom right before you actually buy the penny stock. And all you have to do from this point is swipe up to submit. Swipe up, it'll load, it'll send the order, and then your purchase is completed. You'll get the confirmation order at the very top, and obviously what's on your app right here. Go ahead and hit done. And then you can go back and go down the list of what you have here, and you'll see it at the very bottom. So it says RIME, that's the stock I just bought. And that is how you would go about buying penny stocks on Robinhood. Hope you guys found this useful, and we'll see you in the next video.